Hey everyone, my name's Hugo. I've been drumming for over 20 years now, ever since I was 3 years old. Throughout my drumming journey, I've mostly done solo session work, but more so recently, I've joined a progressive rock band called This Winter Machine. I play Collision 5As as I think personally the weight and the balance is just right for my playing style. With the 5A sticks, I feel like I get a lot of speed behind it and a lot of power at the same time. They're so versatile and all round feel incredibly solid. It's not just about the sticks though. I believe Collision is setting the standard when it comes to feeling supported as an artist. From the moment I got involved, I felt supported, listened to and valued. Unlike other companies, Collisions truly listens to their artists and implements the feedback to continue to grow and develop such an amazing community and company. The connections that I've made already since joining Collision with incredible artists, incredibly talented drummers has been fantastic, and it's such an honour and a privilege to be part of the Collision family as an artist. Next up, I've got some raw, unedited drumming for you. I hope you enjoy.